Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to identify who from your contact list has a PayPal account. Now, all you have to do once you're inside PayPal, guys, you can choose, for example, that you want to send money. So you can choose that option. And once you do that, you will find that you're over to this section where it says send payment, right? And you will have the option here to view your contact list. So it says show all contacts. You want to click on that. Now, how to identify who from your contact list has a PayPal account is that once you find that person in the contact list, it will show a at and their username. So as you can see, this person have a PayPal, this person have a PayPal, this two-person or this three-person don't have one. And as I continue to scroll down through all my contact lists, I can see, so this person has, these people don't have any. Here's another one who has, scroll down, here's another one who has, and so forth. And that's how you can easily go ahead and identify these people who actually has a PayPal account. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.